back out today. It was a nice sunny day yesterday for the first week in Feb when I was at work, and the forecast said today would be the same. Nice and sunny, about 9 degrees. Nah. Cold wind. Probably about 5 or 6 degrees, but I've made my mind up to have a few hours. I'm getting down the river for about 11 o'clock. Probably fish 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock. Get 3 hours in. Probably 2.5 hours actually fishing, so dead simple. Just got my net, my box, my bait in it, a few bits and pieces. A bit waterlogged. The river's not too high up. I don't think we've had that much rain. We'll soon find out. That's what we could do with some warm weather. Plenty of field fare in the feeding on the wet ground. Loads of deer tracks as well, absolutely loads. It's amazing every time you come, it's different, isn't it? The scenery and the wildlife, etc. I just love getting out, mate, just even for a couple of hours. But let's just hope the river's not too high. I don't think we've had that much rain. I thought it had settled off, but the ground does seem waterlogged, to be fair. We'll see. So I'm going to bait up a couple of swims that I've fished before. Just fish through them gradually. Just steady away. Not too much, a couple of handfuls. Just fish my way along here. I'll save the other bit till last. At last, Feels decent as well. Just nearly whipped the rod round. That's a nice chub. That first run, they don't have pull, don't they? Yeah, it's not bad. A couple of pound maybe. Saves the day. Right, it's in the net. Look right this side of the mouth. Have you? That's it. Yeah, alright. Gonna let you go in a sec. Have a little look at you. Couple of pound. Better than nothing. Get you back in. Had an incident. Fish is in the net. Two mad cocker spaniels have just come and devoured me bait, ran off with it, and I've chased after them with a stick. This woman said, "Oh, my dogs are well behaved." I said, "Well, they're not. These two are a pair of bastards." She said, "Oh, these aren't my dogs. I'm just looking after them." Honest to God. She might as well have been shouting, eat the lad's bait. Look at the fish. Couple of pound maybe 2.5 on a good day. Let's get it back. Let's get it back. There's actually an otter just down there who just sat looking at me. I've just got my phone out and it's just dipped under. And you can see the ripples. It's just come out of its set there, just where that tree is. I was going to give it another 15 minutes, get another fish maybe, but I've been mugged. My luncheon meat has been mugged by two working spaniels. One was like aggressive and growling and barking at me, the other one grabbed the little sod. I've ran after them, lost my glasses in the process, and my dignity. Yeah, I don't know. Can I tell you? Relaxing day by the river. Yeah, we're in. Oh my God, it's running. Come on. Come on. It's just that flow's quite strong, so it's quite shallow. There we go, it's coming towards me now. They're just pulling these in the flow from bend on the rod. Just that first run you get with them, it's incredible, isn't it? That's why I love it. Might stay in deep. I hope that otter doesn't fancy a pull of it. My God, that feels really heavy. Carry on, head up. There it is. Oh, yeah. It's a good size fish. Come out the snags. Oh. some pull on this rod. There we go, come on. Let's get it out of it. Get me net. Just the steep bank I'm on. You see the pull of the river? Pulling it round. Come on. Club on. Right, mess of this. Come on, lad. It's on a steep bank. It's a heavy, heavy fish. Get in the net. That's it. That's it. A bit unorthodox, but we got there. They all count. Well, I have to say the pull on in this these winter chub are really in good condition. They don't have fight in that flow. Let's get the hook out of him and have a bit of a look at him. Caught in the brambles. Let's have a look. Oh, here comes that jet plane again. Side of the mouth again. A bit bigger than the first one. There we go. £2.5, £3 maybe. Sitting on my hands a bit on bites, where normally I would cast it in 5-10 minutes to try again, just to see if the bait's still on. It's nothing more than anything, but I think with them being a bit more lethargic, leaving the bait out that bit longer, and that's when I'm getting the bites. Lesson there. Can always learn. Right, well, 2 hours fishing. Maybe a little bit more, 2.5. A couple of fish. Never lets me down, my local little stretch of river. Dusting the cobwebs off, really. I've not fished for a couple of months, really. With the rivers have been off. Working. I had that chest infection everyone seemed to get around Christmas time, so just nice to get out and about and dust the gear down, see what I need, hooks and bits and pieces. I like the winter when the river's not flooded. You can, there's swims you can get in that you can't other times, but anyway, thoroughly enjoyable. Tight lines, folks, and I'll see you again. So here's the thing. Not only have I been marauded by hungry dogs, there's 2 dogs just legged it over this field. Massive field. One was like a Doberman thing, and one was like a Jack Russell. They've ran up there to the left, then on the road. They're on this like main road, alright, to minor road, but it's to the main road, if you know what I mean. And it's like they just took themselves for a walk. I've never known a place like it for just dogs doing what they want, roaming about.